This is the kind of snake my husband wants. Hey guys, so it's been a pretty productive morning. We're all ready, we're all dressed and ready to go. We're gonna eat. Yeah, you got smiles. Can you smile for them? Can you smile for the YouTubes? Yeah? No? Oh really? Oh really? Anyway, he's wearing this outfit, and it barely fits him. I think it'll be the last time he ever wears it. 'Cause he's getting too big. He's just getting too big. Yeah. He's too big. He's outgrowing all of his 3-month clothes already. Already. He's just a big guy. He's just a big guy. Yeah. Yeah. So we're both gonna eat and then we're gonna go do some stuff. Yeah. This poor guy was screaming for almost the entire car. Yeah. I think he finally just wore himself out. So sad. And of course we were hitting every single red light. Every single red light. Yeah. Poor baby. So we're here getting my cat some canned cat food. 'Cause she hasn't had wet food in a long time. So yeah, I'm sure she'll like that. She gets tired of the dry food. She likes the wet food. So yeah. And this little guy is much happier. He's like, I just needed a diaper change was all. That's all I needed. Yeah. Feeling much better, baby? Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Exciting stuff. We'll go around and look at all the animals, too. That's the best part of coming to PetSmart, right? Looking at all the animals. This is the kind of snake my husband wants. We're gonna get him a ball python one of these days. Kitties. Here with the kitties. Oh, you're pretty, kitty. You're a pretty kitty. So you know what I just realized? I just realized that I have run all my errands without a bra on. Yeah. Good thing I didn't see anyone important. You got smiles? You got some more smiles? Oh, good tooth. Yeah, you working those tooths out? Oh my. Oh. Hi, baby boy. Hi. How's my baby? How's he doing? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. He was really smiley just a moment ago. But apparently he's done being smiley. I have a fortune cookie. You guys want to see me open my fortune cookie? Oh, of course you do. Here we go. You guys ready? It says, you have a fine capacity for the enjoyment of life. Thanks, I think. How is this a fortune? I don't know. Anyway, my husband seems to think that you have to eat the cookie before you read the fortune. I don't know, I've never done that. And then, I don't know, when I was younger, we used to always add, like, in bed to the end of it. I don't know, do you guys have any fun fortune cookie games? If you do, you should leave it in the comments. Okay, so you couldn't button the button.
I couldn't button the button, and so I asked for a tiny little favor, and she asked it like it was the worst thing in the world, like it was like this major thing.
It wasn't a major thing. I just couldn't do it while holding the baby.
Can't do it and hold the baby. So I took the baby, and she still couldn't do it because she wouldn't pull my pants up above my butt. That was her fault. I don't know how else to make this any less her fault. All her fault except for the lotion thing. I don't understand why this is so funny.
It's funny. Say hi, Beckett.
Hi, Beckett.
Hi, you.
Oh, Beckett's supposed to say
Beckett's supposed to say hi.
We are on our way to Albertsons to get Noms. Hopefully we got the wallet. Sun is right in my face. Hey, have a sun visor. Awesome. I should buckle up. Seatbelt saves lives.
Buckle up, it's the law.
Buckling up because it's the law is really ridiculous. Because actually, it's not a pull-overable offense. Pull-overable. A stoppable offense. Is that better? Yes, technically that's the right term. It is not a stoppable offense to not wear my seatbelt. Anyway, going to Albertsons. Get some Noms for the tummy. Dummy. Anyway, not wearing my seatbelt because of the law is ridiculous. Because unless I do something else, they won't pull me over. It is a fineable offense if they pull me over and they notice it. But I've been pulled over and not worn my seatbelt and not got ticketed. But, that being said, seatbelts save lives. See that? That will keep you from dying if you crash. Hopefully. If everything goes well.
You're so bright and cheery. You might not, maybe, possibly die.
The likelihood of you dying with your seatbelt is significantly lower than without your seatbelt. Like, I had a guy try to tell me that he doesn't wear his seatbelt because he had 3 friends that were in automobile accidents, and if they had not been wearing their seatbelt, they would still be alive.
Whatever.
I didn't ask him how many friends he had that were in automobile accidents that if they were not wearing their seatbelts would not be alive. I didn't ask him that. I probably should have, because that is a question that would have been worth asking. Hey, just got married, which is weird because it looks like a decal sticker. That, like,
that's what it looked like, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll have to get a better shot of it.
We're going to have to look at this. We're going to have to check it out. Investigate. Because, like, a decal sticker of just married just seems weird. Don't you turn up your nose at me. I turn up my nose at you.
My hand's open.
That's good to know. Anyway, this Jeep, Grand Cherokee, Special edition. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a decal. That's weird. I don't know. I guess it's their car. They can do whatever they wish. Oh, bright light. Can't see him. There, you can see him now. That's a squishy man in his seat. Okay. We have food! I got coconut shrimp. I'm excited. And we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!